Hello, you want to see how I achieve this salad? Keep watching. Hello, welcome back. This is Lady B. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. In today's recipe, we are going to be doing salad. That is my lettuce, that is my sweet tomato, that is my mozzarella, and that is my tuna, and that is my salt. So let's dive into the video. So in this recipe, I'm going to be using cutter to cut all the lettuce. So I will see you when I'm done cutting. So I will add it to my bowl and I'll continue with the cutting. So I'm done cutting. I'll also add it to the other one. Then I'll go ahead to cut my tomato. So I'm done cutting with the tomato. I will add it to my bowl of lettuce and I'll go ahead to cut the mozzarella. So I'm done with the cutting of the mozzarella cheese. I'm going to add it to my bowl. And at this point, I'm going to sprinkle some salt. I will add the tuna and I will mix together. If you have watched to this extent, thank you for watching. And if you are new to this channel, please feel free by subscribing and be a member of this family. Like and share and leave me comments of what you feel or what you feel about this salad recipe. I hope you try it and you will be glad you did. So I am done and I'm going to serve it and enjoy it with anything of my choice. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.